how to schedule Instagram posts. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can schedule Instagram posts. So by default, if you guys were to come onto Instagram, there is absolutely no option which is going to allow you guys to basically schedule posts and to have them published sometime during the day or the next day or whenever you want, but you have to do it manually. There is no option by default that is going to let you guys to schedule your posts automatically. So for that, you have to just simply come over to the Apple App Store or the Android Google Play Store. After that, search for schedule post for Insta, and then from over here, basically choose an application that you guys see having the most reviews. So over here on the App Store, schedule post for Insta is probably the best option. And what you need to do is that you just need to simply download this application. After that, log in your Instagram, and then you guys can just simply upload pictures through this application, and it is gonna publish them at the time that you guys want it to be published. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually public post on Instagram by having them scheduled for a time later. So guys, that is how you guys can do that. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.